This floor and clean up. Big girl Avery. Not getting juice until you help clean up this room. So let's get on this floor and clean up. Big girl Avery. Come on. Get the block bag. Let me here. Baby, Iris, he is one stubborn child, y'all. He is so stubborn. Avery being a big girl. Look at her, y'all. She being a big girl. Let me help Avery. Avery being a big girl. Iris, you about to get in trouble. You about to get in trouble. I'm gonna put your baby right here, okay? You need me to help you? Keep picking toys up. All right, Iris, we cleaning up. They're still picking up the cute little toys, y'all. I do believe this room will get back messed up before the end of the day is over with. Do y'all have that issue? You clean up more than one time. Sometimes I'm sure it's best to just leave the stuff where it is until it's time to lay it down. But in my mind, I can't do that, y'all. I can't because the other day I shut the door, but I'm teaching them. You learn how to play together. You learn how to clean up together. So this is what they're doing. I'm not about to do it all the time. Y'all, I have halfway made the bed by just throwing this up here until our covers, our main cover get washed, and pillowcases. Avery needs to get off the bed like that. I'm about to vacuum this floor. I done wiped down the furniture with this wipe here. Still have this other side to do and take my computer and stuff downstairs to the office. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to get done today in the office, being that I have to take the kids, 4 kids, to the dentist. And my husband want me to fix lasagna before I leave. So your girl got a lot going on today. Plus, I still have to lay clothes out for the ones that's going to the dentist, which that should take no time. But I have to brush up the girls' hair and stuff. So yeah, I do have other things to do that I'm not really used to doing within my routine in the morning. So I don't even think my butt will be able to sit in the computer chair today. Not at this moment anyway. So stay tuned for more, you guys. Today is gonna be a good day. It seemed like it's kind of wet outside, like it was drizzling. Not too much hard rain, but yeah, let's vacuum. Okay guys, I have finished the lasagna. I'm gonna let it cool and sit so that way it can settle really good. Covered it up with the paper towel because once it set, I'm gonna put it in this container right here. I have the salad and the corn on the cob and some eggs for the salad. I am now about to sweep the floors, start another load of clothes before I sweep. motivation video was some type of motivation for you. I know it was short, but I'm hoping that it was sweet. Stay tuned for another video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And always, thanks for watching. Also, subscribe to our other channel that's linked in this channel as well, the Coleman Crew Kids. Bye.